Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the 10.25 inch screen that we did for 2011 Mercedes E-Class. That it came already with the navigation, with the backup camera, and then we add our 10.25 inch Android screen to it. As you can see, that's how it looks. The frame replaced the factory screen, and that's the bracket that we used, and this is how it looks like. So same as before, if you go to reverse, the factory backup camera works, factory GPS works. We can go back to factory radio and the command system, and we still can use the knob without any problem. The control knob works perfectly fine. Nothing will be changed. All the factory system is retained. That was basically the factory size of the screen, so there is no stretch. Just adding this part to the screen, and it shows some information from OBD like handbrake, pull up, or lights are on or off. And by touching the screen, we can go back to aftermarket mode, and still we can use the knob without any problem. It reads the OBD for RPM and speed of the car, and it shows the information for AC as well. Also, you can use the touch. You can use offline maps and online maps, and also you can go to the apps, the app section. You can use Google Maps, Waze, or any other apps you want. And on the other side, we add our USB multimedia. So the way that it works, your Mercedes should come with the AMI cable, and this auxiliary, it came from the harness that we provided, the T harness, and it goes to this female auxiliary inside the AMI. So basically you have to go to the factory mode and choose audio, and go all the way down, select aux. Then you can go back to our media USB. Right now it's playing music, but we can go back and we can choose video, and we can play video too. And it shows full screen. Or you can go like a smaller screen, and then it shows the trip information, temperature outside, and speed of the car. If your E-Class doesn't come with backup camera, we can add backup camera to it too. This is the offline map. That's where we are located, in Markham, Ontario, 160 Conrad Crescent. And also that's the mirror link for your phone, and here, as you can see, you can share the data from your phone, or you can connect to any Wi-Fi. If you park in front of your office or on your driveway, you can connect to the Wi-Fi and update all the apps on this section. Anyways, if you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca, and we will be more than happy to assist you to get these units. If you have any questions during installation, we are here. Our website has a chat support, live chat support, so you can talk to one of our customer service people that they're always like from 10 to 5 Eastern time they're online. You can talk to them. So we are here to help you. Thank you and have a great day.